textbook, okay, quick practice 9.14, okay? So look at here. Assume that the height of 40 basketball player, okay, so that means the total number, okay, is 40, okay, a normal distribution, okay. So what you need to do is, first part, you need to draw the normal distribution, okay. I know that the graph may not be very perfect, but try to draw the bell shape, okay. So this is the bell shape. Now cut it in half, okay. The mean, they told you that is 175 cm, okay, this is your mean, and the standard D, okay, mean is 175, standard D is 4 cm. So what does it mean? Mean each standard D, okay, is 4, got it? So what we need to do is cut it, okay. So this one, 4 standard D is 179, okay. So of course, second standard D do the same scale, okay, we'll have the 183, 187. Then of course, don't forget the another half, okay, we chop it in 3 standard D. So this one will be 171, this one will be 167. Then third standard D, this one will be 164. Got it? So after you finish, now let's look at the A1, okay, what A1 asking for. A1 asking for between 171 and 175. So take a look of this. 171 to 175 is this range. Can you see that? So actually, oh, sorry, my fault, okay. 171 to 175 only here, okay. So you can see that just one standard D on the left hand side. So that means one standard D is 68%, okay. Then divided by 2, okay, half only, so it's 34% only, okay. So 34% of the player who have the heights between 171 and 175. So let's look at the seconds between 167 and 179, okay. Now let's try to highlight it. 167 here and then until to 179, okay. So this is your region. Can you see that? So if this is the half, so you can see that we divide into 2 parts. A part is the left hand side, seconds 2 standard D, right? 2 standard D is 95 divided by 2. Then B part is 1 standard D only. Okay, after you adding all of them, the final answer already come, okay. So you can try to do it by yourself. Now B part. B part, the coach of the player claim that less than 6 player, okay, less than 6 player. So that means should be less than 6. That means what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0, okay. That will be your answer, okay. Or shorter than 171. Do you agree? Okay, explain your answer. So let's try to find out where is less shorter than 171, okay. So 171 is here, okay. Shorter than, that means this range, right? Or here, it means shorter than 171. So how can we find this one? Remember, half of them is 50, so 50%, but we don't need this part, right? This part we don't need it. So it's 1 standard D, 68 divided by 2, okay. So that means you only got just a few of them, okay, percentage. But don't forget, we are finding the numbers of the people, so you need to use total numbers of the player, 40 times the percentage, okay. Then I will know how many people or how many player here. So the answer is 6.4. So what does it mean? It means at least, so of course player we can't say it's 6.4 player, right? But at least it's greater than 6, right? So at least 6 player, okay, shorter than at least 6 players shorter than 171 cm. So do you think that the claim is correct? Of course not, because the claim only suitable when you have the 5, 4, 3, but now you have 6, right? So you just answer that no, okay, the claim is wrong. Okay, so this is how can you solve the normal distribution question. Okay, remember the percentage. Okay, try to find out, okay, how many percent, okay, within the range. Got it? Now let's try another quick practice in your test book. Quick practice 9.15. A pizza restaurant, okay, guarantees what? An order will be delivered within 45 minutes. If the delivery takes more than 45 minutes, a food coupon will be given, okay? Now the delivery time is normal distribution. So what you need to do is, first time, draw the bell shape or the normal distribution shape, okay, curve, okay? Then with the mean 35. So try to draw it. So 35 will be your mean, okay? Then standard deviation 5 minutes, okay? So that means each standard the length, the distance will be 5. So now we can draw the others, okay? So you must draw out 3 standard D, at least 3 standard D, okay? So this one will be 40, 45, 50. Then another side will be 30, 25, 20, okay? So this is within 3 standard D. Now look at the A part. It's given that 100 coupon, okay, were given out last week. Find the total numbers of the order. So first of all, why you give up the coupon? Because you take time more than 45. So let's highlight how many are more than 45. So this part are more than 45. So of course we need to know how many percentage in here, right? So let's take a look at how to find the percentage first, okay? So half of them will be 50%, okay? Remember, the right hand side part is 50%. Okay, but we don't need this 2 part, right? So you need to minus the 2 standard D is 95% divided by 2. So the remaining we're talking about, the remaining one is talking about this. How can we find this range? Is using this range, the percentage to find it, right? Now, I don't know the total numbers of the order, but I know that the partly I have 100s. So using 100 divided by, you can find the total numbers of the order, okay? So when you do the reduction, division, you will find that it's 4,000. So now you can answer the question, okay? Answer the question, say that the total number of order last week are 4,000. That's it. Okay, so this is the A part. Now we go to the B part. Take a look of the question first. If the mean delivery time is shortened by 5 minutes, okay, mean shortened by 5 minutes. Can you see that? But the standard D is unchanged. So mean what? Mean you need to draw a new normal distribution curve, okay? Because the mean is changed, okay? So we need to redraw it. So now the new mean is shorter than 5. That means it's 30, okay? But the standard D didn't change, okay? Standard D didn't change. So we need to keep the standard D 5. So now you have the new first sigma, second sigma value, okay? If 35, 45, 50. Then another side, of course, will be 25, 20, then 15, okay? That will be your new normal distribution curve, right? Now, if everything is remain unchanged, we want to find the percentage of deliver take more than 45. So where is the more than 45? Highlight it, okay? So this is more than 45, okay? So you can see that, oh, sorry, my fault. It's not here. 35, 40, 45, okay? So more than 45 will be this part only, okay? So you can see the percentage must be less, okay? So how can we find the percentage? Again, half of them are 50, but we don't need this part. This part already 3 standard D, right? So you need to minus 3 standard D, 99.7% divided by 2. So the final answer is 1.5%, okay? So, oh, sorry, 0.15%. So that will be your answer, okay? So remember to answer the question, because the question asking you, okay, find the percentage. So you can say that the percentage is 0.15%. Done. Okay, so this is the normal distribution curve. So what you need to remember in here is must remember that, okay, the free standard D percentage. Okay, first standard D 68, second standard D 95, third standard D 99.7%, and they are symmetry. Okay, left hand side and right hand side are both half half. Okay, so this is normal distribution. Thank you for your listening.